Buddy, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. Today we're going to talk about why getting started with your estate plan seems so difficult. Before we get there, however, if you have any estate planning or probate questions, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Now, this question, quite obviously, is with regard to all of us who tend to procrastinate decisions and taking care of things that maybe aren't as sexy as, like a cool home repair or taking a vacation or something like that. So what's the holdup? Why do we have difficulty getting our estate planning going? First off, I can understand most folks don't want to sit down with what they seem to expect as a boring attorney to talk about their own demise or taxes even, right? The two assurities in life are death and taxes. So that's one piece of the puzzle, and certainly procrastinating because we anticipate we're going to live a long time, and God willing we do. But the point of planning is to make sure that if a what-if scenario pops up into our life and makes us all kind of zig or zag, that we're prepared for that, and that we've protected ourselves and we've protected those around us. The second piece, outside of procrastinating, discussing this topic and thinking about our own demise, is the fact that there's a cost affiliated with talking to that boring attorney and getting what seemingly is documents prepared. So I think the notion that when you're getting an estate plan, all it is to you is a few pieces of paper that direct who's in charge and where the assets go. However, that's pretty far from the truth. If you're working with the right firm, not only are they helping guide you on how to set up those documents properly so that you do have them in place, but they're also working with you and your family in all of the in-betweens, at all those stages of life where it does zig or zag. And we have to address those issues and what may need to occur to best protect you and your family and your assets. If you're working with a right firm, they, right off the bat, in establishing your documents the right way, will say, for example, help your family avoid a future potential guardianship proceeding, which, by the way, could be 20 times the cost of the document to prepare and protect you in that regard. Likewise, if you're ever thinking about transferring your home for asset protection purposes, doing it the right way and getting the right guidance could save your family hundreds of thousands of dollars. And there's a multitude of other examples and times when this input and advice from proper counsel can help your family through all of the transitions of life to make sure you're protected. So remember, your estate plan, yes, it may seem difficult to sit down and talk about it, but once you do and you get it resolved and set up properly, you'll have such peace of mind, especially if you know that firm and you trust in their guidance will be there not only for you, but your family members. As a reminder, if you have any estate planning or probate questions, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Thank you so much for listening. And again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. If you'd like this information or think someone else may, we'd appreciate it if you share, like, or subscribe where appropriate so nobody misses out. Take care.